Hey everybody, it's Brian over at Showcase Agency, and today we're going to talk about reverse mortgages, and specifically what we're going to cover is what you can use the money for. So you receive some money from the reverse mortgage. What can you use it for? Are there any restrictions on the use of that money? It's a great question. We get that one a lot. And the good news is the answer is no restrictions. So you can use it for whatever you want. You can go buy a boat, you can go buy a motorcycle, you can go put a down payment on a vacation home or a cottage. You can put the money into investments, you can redo the house, you can college for the kids. It doesn't matter. You can use it for whatever purpose that you want to use it for. So it's one of the great benefits of a reverse mortgage. Hey, and if you're considering a reverse mortgage, something that you might find super helpful would be setting up what we call a discovery call with one of our reverse mortgage experts. So on the discovery call, we're going to answer all your questions about reverse mortgages. We're going to get you some information about reverse mortgages, and we're also going to get you a home loan quote on a reverse mortgage, so a reverse mortgage loan quote, and we're also going to get you an amortization schedule. So let me tell you about the quote first of all and why that's important. It's going to show you your cost. It's going to show you your estimated what's called principal limit, which is kind of like a replacement for a loan amount. You call it a loan amount on a traditional loan. On a reverse mortgage, it's called a principal limit. So all of that's covered on your estimate so that you can see how much money you would be receiving. You can see how much of a line of credit that you would have. And then on this amortization schedule, why this is helpful here is it helps you to see how much retained equity you'll have in your home once you do a reverse mortgage. So what do I mean by that? Your loan balance on a reverse mortgage is going to go up every month a little bit because the mortgage insurance and the interest on the loan is tacked on every month. So the balance grows. But there's also a couple of other things that are growing. One is if you have a line of credit, that grows, the unused portion of the line of credit grows at 3 to 4% approximately per year. That depends on where rates are at the time. So that's another thing about it that's growing is the line of credit. You're earning money on that, the unused portion, and then on the last thing, your value is going up over time. So with this amortization schedule, you're able to see your estimated retained equity a year from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now. So super helpful. You can schedule that over at showcasereversecall.com. And then a couple more things. If you don't have a copy of our guide, get our reverse mortgage guide. It's called Reverse Mortgage Pros and Cons, and you can get a copy at showcasereverse.com. And then one last thing, check out our YouTube. It's reversemortgageyoutube.com. And we're adding a lot of new videos, lots of videos on reverse mortgage questions, the questions that we get all the time, the topics that people want to know about. And you can check that out at reversemortgageyoutube.com.